What's up guys, today we are looking at this pop-up sink hole. This is supposed to pop up and down so that when you want to release, when you want water to stay in the basin, it's supposed to pop down, but it's not working. So I'm going to take this apart. So I've unscrewed this. What you can do is you can use your pliers and try and hold it to unscrew it, but it should come out by hand. So you unscrew this top part like so, it's threaded like that. Then you have the mechanism here. Use the pliers, grip the top of it, and then simply twist. There you go. And it should unscrew by hand the rest of the way. So here we have lots of dirt and stuff. So looks like there's rust and stuff. So this part is supposed to pop up and down. That's the thread that the sink plug actually connects to. There's the thread that actually threads the sink right there, and the spring is in here. So I'm going to take a look at this and see if I can repair it. If not, I will replace it. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, we're back guys with the sinkhole plug. So what we need to do is try and take this part out. We'll see, it's completely locked. From previous experience, it's best to replace it, but we'll see if it's salvageable. So what you need to do is you need to take this screw out. Okay. You need a mini Phillips head for that. What is it? PH1. Undo that. Yeah, this looks bad. So there's a ring here and there's like a little clip. That's what's holding the spring down. If this is moving, this would fly out, but I don't think it's gonna. So the ring comes off like so. This little ring here. And then there's this little clip. I think that will just pop out. Yeah, it's completely locked. There's a spring in here. There's a spring in there which controls this, but it's completely locked out. Like, okay, I'll show you in comparison to a working one, because I was going to replace it. So this is a working one, and this part goes up and down like so. This one's completely locked out, and this ring is holding the spring. There is a spring in there. It's in the down position. You might be able to see that this part is actually dropped in there, and then it pops out like so. So this one is completely unsalvageable. So what I'll do is I'll just throw this away. It's useless. What a lot of people do is they put they put 3-in-1 oil down the sinkhole, hoping that it will lock it out, but it makes it worse. What you need to do is you just need to grease. I have just some general grease that I use before I'll put the new one in, and that should do the trick. Just gonna put this back together. So I have to get this screw back in. So it's not worth the time. I mean, I think I picked this up for 5-6 euros for a set of 2. The only thing is to be careful of the size. There's two threads that you got to be wary of. Is the one that your sink hole plug connects to, the actual cap, and then the one that connects to the actual sink, the sink hole, I guess, would be the bigger one. And the cap would sit on here. Pop it down, that blocks the sink. Pop it up, unblocks the sink. So what I'll do is I'll show you how I install this. Okay guys, so what I did was I put a little bit of grease on the thread. That's all, like you only need a tiny bit. And I'm gonna hand screw this in. Hand screwing it is just enough, like you don't need to go crazy with it. I'm gonna put the cap on top. Then you can kind of screw it in a bit tighter here. It only needs to be hand tight. So here it is with the water running through, like so. Push it down, it locks it. And the water stays. And then if you don't want it, you unplug it. The water is gone. So my best advice is, if the actual spring part is not working on the pop-up drain, it's best to replace it. I hope you enjoyed that video guys. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Till next time, thanks for watching, bye bye.